In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix Discord high ping quickly and safely, so your voice chats feel smoother and more stable. If your ping is suddenly high in Discord, the problem could be Discord servers, your internet connection, background apps, or the voice region your channel is using. The good news is that you can troubleshoot this step by step and usually find the cause in just a few minutes. If this video helps, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more easy tech tutorials. Alright, let's jump right in. First, before changing anything on your device, check Discord server status. Open your browser and go to discordstatus.com. This page shows whether Discord is having any ongoing problems with voice, messaging, or other services. If Discord is experiencing an outage or partial outage, that could explain the high ping, and in that case, the best solution may simply be to wait until the service is restored. If everything looks normal on the status page, then the issue is more likely on your side. Next, check your internet speed. Open a browser and search for speed test, then run a speed test using a trusted test provider. Pay close attention to your upload, download, and ping results. If your connection is slow, unstable, or far worse than usual, that can directly affect Discord voice quality. If possible, compare the results on Wi-Fi and Ethernet, because a wired connection is often more stable for voice chat. After that, refresh your router and your PC. A simple restart can clear temporary network glitches and reconnect you to a fresher route on your internet connection. Turn off your router, wait about 30 seconds, and turn it back on. Then restart your computer as well. This is one of the easiest fixes, but it often solves weird latency issues that build up over time. Now, take a moment to close anything else that may be using your internet in the background. Download managers, cloud backups, streaming apps, game launchers, video calls, large updates, and even other devices on the same network can all raise your ping in Discord. If you want the best result, pause downloads, stop any active streams, close games you are not using, and temporarily reduce network activity across your connection. Once your network is clear, open Discord again and join the voice channel where you're seeing the high ping. Sometimes the problem is not your internet at all, but the voice region assigned to that channel. To fix that, click the voice channel name, then choose Edit Channel. In the channel settings, go to Overview. Here, look for Region Override. This setting controls which voice region Discord uses for that channel. If the region is set too far away from you, your ping can be noticeably higher than it should be. Change Region Override to a server region that is closer to your physical location. In many cases, picking a region nearby can reduce latency and improve voice performance right away. After you make the change, save the settings and rejoin the voice channel so Discord can apply the new region properly. At this point, your ping should be much better if the issue was caused by the voice server location or a temporary network problem. If it is still high, go back and double-check the earlier steps, especially your internet speed, router connection, and background usage. Small network issues can stack together, so it's worth testing each part one by one. And that's how to fix Discord high ping by checking server status, testing your internet, refreshing your router and PC, closing background internet usage, and changing the voice channel region override. If this tutorial helped, please hit the like button and subscribe for more quick Discord fixes and tech how-tos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.